Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well, and it's a very bright and beautiful day today. It's Saturday here, and this Saturday is gonna be different from the last few Saturdays that I have been having. How? Let me tell you about it. But before that, we need to get going, otherwise, we will be late. So, finally, stay at home order has been lifted from where I'm currently staying, but we are not allowed to have gatherings more than 10 people. So we are just going for a brief lunch. So I'm going to meet a friend who stays in the next building, and we are just four people planning to have a lunch together. We will also maintain social distancing while we are eating. That's why this Saturday is different, because I'm not sitting at home alone, but rather finally I am meeting some more people. Uh, it's a sigh of relief. And the best part is I have not left my house in last 2 months, but I'm finally walking on the road, and it's a beautiful day with such cool breeze blowing. I think it's a perfect day to go out today. Abhinav was already there when we arrived. We were kind of late. We talked a lot, laughed a lot, and everyone was a little conscious of me turning the camera on, so I did not record much. This was the first time we all were meeting after a very long time, and we still were afraid to stand close to each other. So we were all maintaining our distance, and that's why you won't see everyone in the frame at the same time, because we all were scattered in the room. I personally feel this pandemic is going to leave a long lasting effect on all of us. Even if all this is over and we are able to go out, we still would be afraid, and it will take some time before we get on to our normal lives. If your county or city still has stay at home restriction, then I would not advise to leave your house and meet people. In my case, I took all necessary precautions even when I was with others, and the stay at home restriction was lifted because we are not in the red zone and there aren't a lot of cases in the place where I'm currently staying. Aisha had prepared mouth-watering food for us: noodles, dosa, sambar. It was all so good. I'm almost drooling while editing this video. I can't wait to go again and have lunch or dinner with Aisha.
सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम बैटर की ये होती है, साला एक खाओ दो खाओ पानी पी लो, तुम्हारा पेट भर जाता बिल्कुल भर जाता।
सांभर और है तो ये तो बताओ। हाँ। मुझे ये सब्जी लेना तो क्यों सिर्फ सांभर है? वो कैमरा में से तुझे बाहर निकल तो पता चलेगा ना खाने का क्या क्या चीज़ है, सीन है।
सीरियसली
अभी कैमरा में पता नहीं कितनी फुटेज जा पाएगी। लेट्स सी, फिल्टर आउट हो जाएगा सब कुछ।
तो क्रिस्पी डोसा दे तो बता ना।
तू बैठ जा हमारे साथ खाने।
मैं खाती हूँ।
ये भाजी भी अच्छी हुई है। वो जो ऑनियन का जला हुआ टेस्ट आ रहा है ना, दैट इज़ वेरी नाइस।
मुझे अच्छी लगती है।
Very nice. Thank you so much, Aisha, for inviting us here and feeding us such good food. By the way, the evening is not yet over. Before we go on to the next part of the day, we are going home and take a short break, and then we'll be back on the road again. Till then, I'll see you guys. I'm walking back home. I met Aisha for after 4 or 5 months. I remember I last met her was in November end or October, because from November to December I was not here, and then she went to India. Normally from last few days it has been really cold and gloomy, but today actually it's a very bright day, and I'm really enjoying my walk back home. How about you, Ashish?
It's good.
Just good?
It's very nice compared to the other days.
He just gets so awkward in front of the camera, and I just keep putting on his face. I ate a lot at Aisha's place, and I was really sleepy in the afternoon, but the walk back home was very refreshing. So the plan for now kind of got changed. We were gonna go and visit another friend, but we were not really sure if we should be meeting so many people. I know that the stay at home restriction is lifted, but we still didn't want it to overdo, so we decided to stay home. And the best thing of the place currently where I'm staying is that it's a very beautiful, very quiet place. There aren't a lot of people, and it has a very beautiful trail that we can walk onto. So I thought of, why not? It's a beautiful day today. Let's go and explore the trail today. So they have a lot of gazebos like this all around this road, and you can just come here, sit and chill with your friends and family. And then there is a very beautiful trail that we are gonna go on to right now. In the evenings, I often see people walking their dogs, jogging or cycling on this trail. It's a nice boardwalk but very poorly maintained. I noticed that some trees have flowers that smell like jasmine flowers, but they look a little different, so I'm not really sure if they are the same. I don't know what I should call this, whether it's a lake or a river, or I don't know what this is, but it's kind of stagnant water. So this is a big pool here which is basically stagnant water, and this place is actually kind of cool to walk onto, and it extends till the end of that whole block, but it's not very safe to be here alone. So if you want to come, I think it's towards early in the evening but not late in the night. And even if you want to come here and stand for a couple of minutes, there are a lot of mosquitoes, so you really can't spend a lot of time here because of this dirty water. And there is a stream, there is an outlet there, and a lot of water is coming from there, but I don't know if it's fresh water or what. But I wish they had cleaned this and they had maintained this whole place, because it's kind of a good thing to have in the neighborhood, right? So this trail is quite long and it extends till the end of the other side of the block, but we are not going to do the whole trail. I think there is an out point from here and we can just walk back home. We can even walk, okay, side by side. We can even walk back the same trail and it will lead us to the same point, but I think we are going to take the road while going out. So we are walking home now, and hopefully from next week the clubhouse in our society will open up and we'll be able to access the gym and the pool. I'm not sure if they're opening the swimming pool or no, because they still haven't had any decision on that. They are still trying to figure out if state is allowing to do that. I'll be just happy even if they open the clubhouse and I can start playing tennis again. It will be just great. I'm cooped up in the house all the time, and all I'm doing is sitting and working on my laptop or doing something on my laptop. So it would be great to have some physical activity back again in my life. This neighborhood is generally very quiet and the population density is very less compared to the big cities in US. That's why you would never see a lot of people on the road at any given point of time. I'm finally home. I had a very peaceful evening. I'm right now in my balcony. I think I'm gonna sit here for some more time and listen to these birds chirping and also read a book. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like my video, don't forget to like, and if you still haven't subscribed, please do consider. Till then, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.